One of the questions that we get at Grason-Stadler is, can I use my AMTAS Flex data within GSI Suite? Now, if you remember, AMTAS Flex is our portable automated audiometry that is done on a tablet audiometer. And the answer is yes, you can take your audiograms and your data from AMTAS Flex and import them into GSI Suite. There are two ways to import AMTAS Flex data into GSI Suite. One of them is wirelessly, and one of them is saving the data to a file and importing it through a USB. When you have the data from your AMTAS Flex, you import it by pressing Batch on GSI Suite. That little down caret will give you two options to either import it wirelessly or import it with the USB. And once you've imported the data, you will go to the Assign Tests icon and click on that to view the data you have imported. In the Assign Test window, there are three main areas. The first one over here on the upper right is your unassigned tests, and this is the data that you have just imported from your AMTAS Flex. So what we need to do is take that unassigned data and assign it to an actual patient. So there are two ways to do this. You can either search for a patient that already exists in your database. So I will pull up my favorite patient, high frequency air conduction, and take the test here, which I believe is his, and drop it onto his name. That moves the test from the unassigned area into this assigned test area. And if I've accidentally grabbed the wrong one, I can press unassign and it will move it back to the top, and then I can grab the correct test and drop it on high frequency's patient name. The second way that you can do an assigned test is to create a new patient. So you'll click the Assign Test window, you will go down to New Patient, and you will actually go ahead and just type in a new patient name. Once you've typed in the patient name and you press OK, that patient will appear in the patient list and you can take the test and drag it over to the new patient that you've created. When you hit OK, it will pair that audiogram with the new patient and you will be able to manage that data from there.